Hey Google. Can Siri stop all the ads on YouTube?
Here's stop order ads videos.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey Google. I love you.
Love you too.
Can we kiss now?
Romance makes me incredibly awkward.
Hey Google. Do I always have to say hey Google to you? Can I just call you maybe Birgit?
Here's what I found on the web.
Hey Google. Thank you, Birgit.
Here's a Wikipedia result.
Hey Google. We are being filmed and uploaded to YouTube very soon. And there is a training going on. Let's join.